Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Vultr login problems, billing and account errors step by step clearly. If you're facing login problems with Vultr, especially related to billing and account errors, follow these steps to resolve the issue. First, ensure that you are entering the correct email address associated with your Vultr account. Double-check your password for any typos or incorrect characters. If you're unsure about your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Check your email for a password reset link from Vultr and follow the instructions provided. If you're receiving an error related to billing, log into your account if possible, and navigate to the billing section. Verify that your payment information is up to date and that there are no unpaid invoices. If your account has been suspended due to billing issues, follow the prompts to resolve any outstanding payments. If you cannot log in at all, contact Vultr support for assistance, explaining your issue in detail. Be prepared to provide any relevant account information for verification purposes. Check your email for any communication from Vultr regarding account status or issues. If you have received a notice about a disabled account, follow the instructions outlined in that email. Always ensure that your network connection is stable when trying to access your account. Clear your browser's cache and cookies before attempting to log in again. Try using a different web browser or device in case the issue is browser-specific. If all else fails, reinstall the authentication app if you are using two-factor authentication. Follow these steps systematically, and you should be able to resolve your Vultr login problems. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.